Hi everyone! Today I would like to talk about a magic recipe for fast hair and eyebrow growth with castor oil and coconut oil. If you are dealing with excessive hair fall or damaged hair, or you are willing to have a long hair fast, follow this video. Let me first tell you why I chose castor oil and coconut oil for hair growth in this video. First, castor oil and coconut oil both contain the highest percentage of fatty acid and vitamin E, so the unique structure provides nourishment to the hair shaft and promote hair growth. Second, combining this oil stimulates blood circulation and strengthens the hair roots. Last but not least, it helps reduce split ends, hair loss, and hair damage. So let's get started with this home remedy. What you need to do is to put equal parts coconut oil and castor oil in a bowl. It means as much as you need for your hair, depends on the length of your hair. Then mix the oils together. You could slightly warm the oil mixture in a microwave for quick penetration and pour it in a spray bottle. And then apply it on your hair and massage the mixture into your scalp at least for 5 minutes from the root to the tip. Leave it on for 2 or 3 hours before washing it away. You can also leave it on overnight, but remember castor oil has a thicker density and could be difficult to be washed out. So make sure you do not use too much oil. You will also need to shampoo multiple times to get rid of the oil. Follow this treatment twice a week for 2 or 3 months to regain hair at a faster pace. Castor oil can be used to regrow your eyebrows as well. You can use a clean brush to wipe a small amount of castor oil over the eyebrows and gently massage the oil into it. You can apply this oil every morning and night. I hope you apply this home recipe and see the magic result by yourself. Thank you for watching.